Hey guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And here guys, I have the new and desirable Nintendo Switch OLED, the 2-in-1 console which landed on my desk on around 8th of October to be precise. And I've been playing with it for around 8 weeks now, and you can get your hands on it too. Super Mario Odyssey! Priced at £309.99, it sure is not cheap, but for someone who has never owned a Switch console before, I feel it's a great buy, and I'd definitely consider it as a Christmas and or birthday gift for my gamer friends and family members. I have left the link for it in the description box below alongside some of the games that I've purchased too, so go and check these out. In this video, I'll be sharing all the specs and features, I'll be playing some of my favourite Nintendo games, sharing my overall 8 weeks later user experience, and especially as a first time Nintendo Switch user. We'll also have a quick look at Leah's pros and niggles, who the console may be for, and whether or not I regret spending my precious pounds on this console and the extra games I've purchased. Quick start guide, a USB Type-C power adapter, a HDMI cable, mini controllers which attach to the Joy-Cons there, Joy-Cons, a controller grip for the Joy-Cons, a docking station, white with a nice matte finish. Got the Nintendo logo here, and that's where the Nintendo Switch OLED nicely slots in. We've got 2 USB ports here, a nice grippy rubbery finish at the bottom, Nintendo Switch branding here at the back as well, and wow, my first Nintendo Switch ever. I mean, I have played with the Nintendo Switch before, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't mine. It wasn't something that I had in my hand for long. This feels so good in my hands, and oh my god, I can't wait to turn it on. But before I do that, check out that screen guys, it's large. It's very large. Beautiful large OLED display. At the bottom, we've got the USB Type-C port. On the right hand side, we have nothing. Left hand side, we have nothing. Here at the top, we have a game card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, got some speakers. We've got a volume rocker and a power button. Beautiful, solid build. Nice matte finish at the back. It's black all the way around. And here we've got the speakers. I believe this here is a vent. We also have this handy kickstand which adjusts to any angle you choose for it too. So welcome to news here. We've got where to get your new games, so the Nintendo eShop here. Shall we start guys? So like I said, I have been playing with it earlier, but I'm just as excited to share this with you guys. So press the same button 3 times. Right, okay. 1, 2, 3. You can have more than one profile on here, as you guys can see. So we've got Nintendo Switch Online, News, Nintendo eShop, Album, Controllers, System Settings, and Sleep Mode. Here is Leah's page. So here's my profile. We've got Friend List, Trending with Friends, Online Play Invitations, Friend Suggestions, Add a Friend, and User Settings. So I can change all of the username, etc. here. Got nice slim bezels in black going all the way around, and we've got so much screen space here. Such a beautiful display. You can view it in all angles. Very premium solid build and feels so good in the hands. It's not too heavy either. So here we have the up, down, left, right keys here. We've got a joystick here, A, B, X, Y buttons here. Plus, I believe this is for volume. Here we've got the home button. And now guys, check me out playing my all-time Nintendo favourite, the Mario Odyssey. And guys, do let me know which is your favourite Nintendo game and which do you recommend I try out. Let me know in the comments. Although I've not owned a Switch console prior to this, I have had a go on the old gen, and this one is noticeably much better in terms of first look, quality, build, and even before you turn on the console, you guys will agree that it makes the original Switch look a little outdated. It's a bit like comparing the iPhone 10 with the iPhone 13 Pro smartphone, for example. Oh my god, check that screen out, guys. Oh wow. So big. So immersive. Check those colours. This stunning immersive OLED panel is probably the best panel I've experienced on any dedicated handheld gaming console, and guys, believe you me, I've played on the likes of Sony's PS Vita, etc. It offers deep punchy contrast, strong colours, and deep blacks are an advantage of this beautiful new display. We have high resolution and superior motion handling. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my god, what's going on? The speakers are very loud, crisp and clear. And internally, guys, Nintendo is using the 16nm Mark version of the Tegra X1 processor, which is the same as the one in the 2019 Switch. Although you can play this console in docked mode, I personally haven't. Ultimately, the new OLED Switch console is all about the large immersive screen, followed by a beautiful design and premium build. With all this combined, it makes this portable gaming experience a more fun and pleasant one. This OLED model has an excellent library of compatible games, and I've sure downloaded a bunch of digital ones, making most of some great offers on the online Nintendo store. Plus guys, I've purchased these physical games from Amazon. I will be listing the console and these games in the description box below, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to share these in the comments too. And now, let's quickly check out Leah's pros and niggles, and you guys let me know what you think. Now, no doubt, the Nintendo Switch OLED has an absolutely stunning, large, bright 7-inch OLED display, which is a huge upgrade from the original Switch.
That is a Sheikah slate. Take it. It will help guide you after your long slumber.
It has a solid build and beautiful matte finish, which feels good in the hand. It's durable and not so heavy, and it is perfect for bedtime gaming on the go, whilst commuting, travelling, flying, etc. We have high contrast and fast, nippy, smooth gaming experience. We have double the storage, 64GB is plentiful compared to 32GB in the previous Switch. It has a huge library of Switch compatible games. We have a much improved kickstand. We have improved excellent battery life, which lasts approximately between 5 and 9 hours. Now, this depends on what kind of game you're playing. We have improved excellent battery life, which lasts approximately between 5 and 9 hours. Now, this depends on the type of game you're playing. In comparison to the original Switch, we now have LAN support. And guys, we have beautiful enhanced loud and clear speakers. Now, moving on to the niggles. Although this beauty is powerful, but it still does have the same processor as the original Switch. And guys, although it has this beautiful, highly impressive OLED display, it has the same resolution as the original Switch. It still offers 720p resolution in handheld mode and 1080p in docked mode. Although the weight is not an issue, it is slightly heavier than the previous Switch models. Now, other than the very noticeable, beautiful OLED display, high contrast, better image quality, more storage, improved kickstand and LAN support, there is not much of a difference between the OLED Switch and the original Switch. And it is around $50 dearer. If you don't mind all of this, guys, and are a Nintendo fan, then in my opinion, it's perfect for a first-time Switch buyer. And guys, it's an absolute treat for current Switch owners and lovers. So, who is this Switch for? Well, if you're a portable gaming lover and especially have enjoyed Nintendo games but want to experience a more delightful, immersive, luxury and portable experience on Nintendo's best handheld console to date, then the Nintendo Switch OLED is for you. If you already have a Nintendo Switch, just so you know, you don't really need to upgrade if you don't mind the LCD screen but want to play new games. So guys, I'm going to go away and carry on spending a lot of time with my new addictive toy. I've been playing with it lots. I even took it away with me to Hawaii on my recent trip, and I played lots on it during my 24-hour flight to Hawaii and almost 24 hours on my return. Now I may share a 6 months later or even a year later on this Nintendo Switch OLED gaming console, just to let you know my true feels and experience. But guys, 8 weeks later and I'm really enjoying it, and although it does feel a little pricey, especially with the games on top, I personally do not regret buying it.
Oh, I can feel that vibration.
I feel although it's a little pricey, it sure has lots of power and juice to keep me busy and playing, and especially during long commutes, flights and even in my free time. It's portable, quite durable with a solid build, and this beautiful immersive screen has sure won me over. It may or may not have some competition in 2022 with Snapdragon's latest concept dev kit, but for now, this one ticks most of my boxes for an almost perfect portable gaming device, especially for Nintendo lovers. If you have any questions, feel free to pop these in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer these. So guys, what do you think? Are you a fan? Do you own a Switch? Have you or will you be buying one or upgrading to the Nintendo Switch OLED, or even gifting a friend, a family member with one? Let me know in the comments and I look forward to reading your thoughts too.
Oh. Ah, I want to drown at this rate. How do I get on there? No. Ah! How do I get to the top?
And before you go, these are some of the fantastic accessories I've been using with my new Nintendo Switch OLED gaming console to keep it all safe, protected whilst playing indoors or even on the go. And I've teamed up with Stealth to give away a whole bunch of accessories to one lucky winner, and I'll be leaving all the details on what you have to do to participate in this giveaway and more on my Twitter, Facebook and IG posts, so be sure to follow me there.
So here we have Joy-Con racing wheels. You get 2 in a pack and are compatible with Nintendo Switch. And here we have 2 separate over-ear gaming headsets. Guys, these come in really cool colours to match your setup, are wired with 1.5 meter cable, 40mm drivers, are padded with adjustable headband. You also can game and chat. We have volume control and mute mic features. These headsets are compatible with Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, PlayStation, PC, mobile and tablet. And now moving on to this Stealth Premium Travel Kit. It includes 3 very useful accessories and is ideal for on-the-go use. It includes a travel case, which is tough with a hard shell and is perfect for Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Lite. It also includes a 2 meter premium braided play and charge cable and a lightweight fold-up gaming headset for in-game audio. And here we have a premium travel case, same as the one in the premium travel kit. So this is an extra for the lucky winner. It has this nice mesh pocket, storage pouch for up to 10 games, elasticated straps, soft cotton lining and secure zip fastening. All 5 of these packages will be delivered to one lucky winner in the new year. And guys, if you can't wait for the giveaway to end and want these sooner, all these are available to buy from Argos and also Amazon. And I have left the link for these, the Nintendo Switch OLED console and Switch games in the description box below. And if you want to participate in this mega gaming giveaway, be sure to be following me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and keep an eye on my posts and stories where I will be sharing links and steps to the giveaway. One lucky winner will be announced in my upcoming IG Live in around mid-January, so best of luck to all those who will be participating. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, let me know by hitting that like button, comment and share, and if you haven't already, a sub to the channel would be highly appreciated. Hit that bell icon too, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. And that's me done for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, bye.
Thank you.